तू वो जाने में dislike to my fingers. My fingers. I'll chop them off. My fingers. Vikram, please help me. I've chopped my fingers. It's a mess. Please, Vikram. Boss doesn't like my fingers. How am I supposed to pick my nose? They're here. I was dreaming. Shit. अब मैं उस सड़े हुए से जॉब के बारे में सोच रही हूँ. नो, पूरा दिन फैक्ट्री में जैसे काफी नहीं. प्लीज नो. विक्रम प्लीज यार अलार्म बंद करो ना. विक्रम. Move. 6:30. अभी एक बार भी बंद हो जा मेरे बाप प्लीज. My life. Baby. Oh my baby. Oh my sweet. You pee-peed again. अभी बदला था बेसी पॉट 3 बजे. क्यों इतनी सूसू इतनी पॉटी क्यों? I need a potty washer. Okay. Don't cry, okay? Just stay still, huh? Mama will wash you. एकदम शांत. Okay, your tub is here. Hot water. No. I bet he did Vikram geyser off करके सो गया ही. No. Papa is not an idiot. Papa is hero. Papa is Superman. Yeah. I love Papa. Yes. Okay. And your Wonder Woman Mama is here. Chalo, let me see. Kitni potty kiya? Kitni potty? Very nice. Let me wipe it. Slowly. Shh. Please, Principal, please do not cry. You will wake up Daddy. अभी तो प्यारे पापा और आधे घंटे खर्राटे मार के सोएंगे एकदम प्यार से. And then he will wake up and he will fly to the factory like a Superman. No, fly to the bus, fly to the train, then to the factory. Yes. Beep beep bloop, beep beep bloop, beep beep bloop, beep beep bloop. Train monkey in the assembly line. This makes you laugh, huh? You like to see Mama acting like a trained monkey, huh? Okay, I'm a monkey, yes. Alright. You are all clean, stay. Yes. Now just a nice sprinkle of grated paneer. Who puts grated paneer in powder, yeah? Okay, Mr. Potter, please, do not move. They will save this. It's very expensive, please. What a mess. We will save this. Papa के लिए favorite वाले पनीर के पराठे बनाएंगे. Papa loves it. Yeah. Papa loves it. Yeah. Okay. And I'm so late. You're all clean. Just stay here, huh? Just stay here. Mama will take a quick washy. Oh, no. In a building like this, with a family like this, and another 300 faces and all with faces to wash at the same bloody hour. This is not fair. Where did I put my towel? Oh, the soap stings my eyes. Pissy boy, अगर मैं तुम्हें नहीं देख पाई तो please do not get angry. Mama loves you. I'll go blind. I'll go blind. No, I can see. I can see, I can see, I can see, I can see. Yeah. I'll wash it later, right? Anyway, who looks at me anymore? Nobody? But this sure does smell me. Yes, I will spray this nice deodorant. Vikram, my baby, has brought it for me. Yeah, it's completely new. I will spray it. What the hell? No, 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 no. Multi-purpose paint. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This burns. This burns, this burns. Okay, okay, calm down, calm down, calm down. I'll take this off with the solvent at the factory. Yes, yes, Miss Park. Okay, we are good, we are good. We are good, we are good. Mama's jacket. 1 second. Stay, huh? Stay. Mama's jacket. Mama's baby. And Mama's pocketbook. And Mama's key. Mama's key. Oh no. No, 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 no. Every morning the saga of the same lost key. Oh, where did I put the key? Not here, not here. Okay, relax. Relax. Isabel, you stay here. Just think. I came from the door yesterday. Baby in my left arm, key in my left hand, pocketbook in my right hand. I came here. I put baby here. I put the pocketbook here. Again, I went out. Key still in my left hand. I opened the door again. Grocery bag in my right. Milk bottle under my left arm. I came, put the grocery bag there, and put the milk bottle in the fridge. I got my key. No, not in the egg tray, not in the dish. I have kept lemon flavored laundry detergent in the fridge. हाँ, it's fine. नींबू फ्रिज में ही रखते हैं वरना खराब हो जाता है. Yes. Shit. Did I put milk in the washing machine? No. But where did I put the milk? Oh yeah, yeah. I put the milk on the stove for the baby because this is what you were crying. हमेशा की तरह. So I put the milk here and I needed to open the ढक्कन. So I took the key and placed it between my teeth. I don't know why I did that and I didn't put it on the table, but I put the key here. And then I opened the milk bottle. I poured the milk. I came to you because you were crying and you needed to poop. Oh no, no, you don't need to poop. You already pooped. Okay, so I wanted to undress you and give you a bath. I take you here. I take out the tub and I place you here. I take the tub out. Oh my god, a lot of stuff here. Okay, I take the tub here. I put the tub here. Key was still between my teeth. And pissy pot. Where is my baby? Pissy pot. Where is my baby? Have you seen my baby? In the fridge. In the washing machine. No, no, no. In the closet. Oh my god, my baby. Pissy pot, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm a horrible mother. I'm so sorry. I was so upset. I sit here. I take the glass of water and I drank. Did I swallow the key? Because I still had it in between my teeth, right? No, 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 no. I couldn't have swallowed it because my key had a hole in it, and if I would have swallowed it, I would have whistled all night. And what a scene Vikram would have made, right? Yeah. But then where did I put the key? Okay, again, remember. So pissy-pot was here, the tub was here. I reached out for the bicarbonate because टीवी पे कहीं तो देखा था कि बेबी के बाथ में ना 2 चम्मच बाइकार्बोनेट जरूर ऐड करना चाहिए. It helps. I don't know how, but it helps. So sugar. Wow. Bicarbonate में sugar और sugar के डब्बे में bicarbonate. Great. Oh my God. Now I understood. Busy pot. That's why तुम्हारी वो मैडम मुझसे कह रही थी कि मैम आपके बेटे को ना बाहर धूप में नहीं रख सकते. जैसे उसे धूप में रखो उसके सर के ऊपर सारी मधुमक्खियां भिनभिनाने लगती हैं. I'm so sorry busy pot. I'm so sorry. I'm such a horrible mother. And Vikram, उसने तो क्या तमाशा किया था. एक बार कॉफी मांगी थी मुझसे and I gave him. Obviously sugar की जगह bicarbonate डाल के. I didn't know. As if I would have known तो नहीं डालती. But anyway, and the burps he took, I loved it. But he was so angry. But then where is the key, yaar? Wait a minute. All wrong. Yes, all wrong. I was giving Pissy Pot bath here and Vikram came in shouting क्योंकि मैं key hole में key भूल गई थी. He came in. I went out. I took the key out. I was like, मार दो मुझे विक्रम. लो, मार दो. मैं भूल गई key वहाँ पे. मार दो मुझे ना, please, please. Kill me, you wife killer. And then Vikram said, अरे यार, please stop it. मैं तुम पे गुस्सा नहीं हूँ. ओहो, then किस पे हो? See, मेरी ट्रेन 1.5 घंटे लेट थी. मैं 20 किलोमीटर पैदल चल के आ रहा हूँ. Okay? Who pays me for that? Does my boss pay me for that? No. Who pays me? Oh, Vikram, I'm really sorry. By the way, it's not boss anymore. It's multinational corporation. MNC? Huh? You work there, right? I know. So, it's MNC. And, by the way, you don't get mad जब मैं वहाँ पे 8 घंटे काम करती हूँ और वहाँ से आती हूँ और तुम्हारी फ्री की वेट फिर पूरे घंटे के लिए, पूरे दिन के लिए, राइट? तब बुरा नहीं लगता तुम्हें? At that time, I took Pissy Pot, and since Pissy Pot you were crying, I had a milk bottle for you. No, this cannot happen. How Busy Pot? इतने छोटे बम से तुम यार इतना पॉटी कैसे कर लेते हो? This is not fair. This is not fair. You know, I loved yellow. Yellow was my favorite color. Not anymore. Not anymore. I hate yellow. And I don't hate you, Busy Pot. Sorry. Yeah, I don't hate you. Okay. This family, this sacred family, they have invented it on purpose. Yeah. For those who get your balls cut off every day at those degrading jobs can come home and take it out on us. Mothers, wives, homemakers, right? Mattresses for you to punch. We put you together next day for Mr. MNC. By the way, he's everybody's daddy, okay? We put you together, huh? Next morning, ready and handsome to go and produce more for him. And then, sorry, this part, I have to keep it on. And then, Vikram, my dear husband, said, अरे यार, मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम ये नारी मुक्ति मोर्चा मीटिंग्स में जा रही हो. कब से जा रही हो? अच्छा लग रहा है वैसे यार. My dear husband, listen, you idiot. I do not need to go to these Nari Mukti Morcha or feminist meetings to understand that my life, no, wait, our life is shit. ऐसे होती है शादी? हाँ? 2 मिनट बैठ करके बात नहीं करते यार, हम लोग कुत्ते की तरह काम करते हैं. कभी पूछा है तुमने कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कोई तकलीफ है? नहीं. घर आकर के काम कौन करता है? मैं. झाड़ू, पोछा, बर्तन सब मैं. पूरे महीने बंदर की तरह उछल कूद करके सेविंग्स कौन करता है? मैं. हर चीज मैं. तुम्हारे प्यारे सेंटेड सॉक्स, इन्हें कौन धोता है? मैं. तुमने कितनी बार मेरे मुंह से धोए विक्रम? धोए अभी? विक्रम, हाय. Yeah, can we talk? Okay. See, Vikram, I do not want to fight. Really. I want us to talk. I want us to communicate. ऐसे नहीं होती है शादी कि बस एक बंदा एक रूम में और एक बंदा दूसरे रूम में, हाँ? We should talk, we should express, and okay, having your problem as mine, but I wish that my problems also be yours, and not always yours be mine and mine be mine. Are you listening? Every day you come from your work, you punk out. हर रात बैठ के प्यारा सा टीवी तुम स्विच ऑन कर लेते हो और मेरी बात नहीं सुनते हो, और हर संडे यू वॉच दीज 22 उल्लू के पट्टे जो कि निकर पहन के एक बॉल के पीछे आगे पीछे घूमते रहते हैं, और एक और मेनियक है जो कि बिल्कुल तुम्हारी तरह स्ट्राइप टी शर्ट में और अपने हाथ में वो प्यारे से विसल लिया रहता है और पूरे दिन पैं 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 पैं। Hey, now you want to learn about sport. Nice question, but that was not the kind of response I was expecting. Let him have it, okay? And I shouted, and then he shouted, and then I got nasty, he got nasty, and then I got nasty, and then he got nasty. I said, hold on, wait, if this is marriage, I wish to say that I have made a mistake. And I picked up my mistake and I started to leave. I opened the door and then Vikram came. No, please, come, please. Don't go. No, let me go. I cannot stay with you anymore. No, please, come. Let's talk. I had the key in my hand because I opened the door. Yeah. Then Vikram pulled me here. He was like, no, please, baby, please sit. Then I sat here and he was like, yeah, I'm used to being babied by my mother. He accepted and I cried. He was like, sorry, I couldn't help you. I never asked you. I was like, it's okay, Vikram. Poor guy. His face was like white sheet. I cried. And the more I cried, the more he blamed himself. And the more he blamed himself, the more I cried. Poor Vikram. It was so beautiful to cry like that after such a long time. But Vikram, I'm sorry. And then he held my hand and he took the key. My key! Idiot Vikram. Okay, I've got my key. Fine. Mama's key, Mama's baby, Mama's pocketbook, and we are good to go. Yes, we are good to go. And we can make it. Just a minute. Let me check the bus pass क्योंकि बस में बहुत भीड़ होगी. And I keep you there. कोई ना कोई तुम्हारे ऊपर चढ़ जाएगा. Yes, I've got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 punches in, 6 punches out. Sunday. Today's Sunday. You guys knew that today's Sunday. बैठ के बस देख रहे थे आप लोग. This is what you do. But I love you. Today's Sunday. I love Sundays. Every day should be Sunday. I love Sunday. This is what I really love Sunday. Every day should be Sunday. Sunday, eternal Sundays. Kill Monday, screw Wednesday, and squeeze Friday. I love Sunday. Yes, Vikram, move, yeah. I love you, Vikram. Sorry, I love you. And by the way, if I dream again about that shitty job, I'll kill myself. Yeah, good night. Happy Sunday.